Hi everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. Today I have a Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio Design Team project that I want to share with you guys. And I'm also coming on to let you know that this weekend you get 30% off if you use my code. So my code is HMQ10, but using my code just for this weekend, instead of your regular 10% off, you will get 30% off your purchase. So this is the time to go ahead and buy your stuff. And you guys, her stuff sells really quick. So if you didn't know about this sale, you need to get on her website. So let me just show you what I created. Oriel does have this set. You guys remember everybody wanted this and it sold out quickly. So she does have this back in stock. So for those of you who missed out last time, go ahead and make your purchase. And this is, if I'm not mistaken, it's $15.99, but it'll be minus 30% off if you use my coupon code. So anyway, I had created, well, let me just show you. So I used this one. I did use some of her beaded chain, just a couple of her charms, and some of them are sold out, but I believe she still has the snowman and the deer, I believe, is still in stock, as well as the Christmas tree. So unfortunately, these are sold out right here. Because these are so pretty. But still, the other ones are still fun and still pretty. So you can go ahead and use that. I'm not sure if she still has these, but you can go ahead and check. And these are the, what do you call it? The snowflake bottle caps. Oh, and I keep forgetting, she does have it here. Okay. And like I said, her stuff sells fast, so I don't know if they're still there, but you guys can definitely check. But this is the time to buy because you get 30% off just this weekend, y'all. And then you can still continue to use my coupon for this month and get 10% off if you use HMQ10. All right, so I did use some of these and these. And these, and you guys know these are the swirls, and they come in different. They're the clay peppermint swirl candy, and they do come in different colors. I'll leave the links in the description box, and hopefully she still has some in stock. And these are just so pretty. These are the yellow ones, the clay yellow swirl candy. All right, and that is it. Now I decided to make an embellishment box because I have a friend who sent me an embellishment box, and I needed to send her some as well. And so as you can see, you get quite a bit in the it's 10 grams. So I did put quite a bit in there, and I was making this one right here as well. So yeah, that's why mine is has dwindled. So I need to get some more. But as you can see, you can use any box that you want. And it's as easy as just using a small compartment plastic box and just putting some washi tape, or in this case, this is a Hello Kitty. You guys know I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. You can use a little plastic tape, because it adheres really nicely. What I did was clean the box really well and just use some alcohol wipes so that your washi or your tape will stick really nicely. And look, you guys, she has these really, really pretty pearl. I haven't seen anything like this, but they're pearl snowflakes, you guys. And, oh, here, I just wanted to show you how many you get. You get quite a bit. It says 20 pieces for $1.59. So, but I don't know, she might be sold out of those because those are really popular. So yeah, I just put the sequins in there, and you know, you can just put a little bit to share with your crafty friend. And this box I got from Amazon, and then I just painted it with I can't find it, but it's a deco pen in silver. It's the Deco Premium marker by Marvy, but I used the silver one, and then I used the ball chain as well, which she has in the shop. And then the she doesn't have the tassel, I don't think, I'm not sure, but this is my own tassel from my stash. But then here are the really pretty, really cute, oh my gosh, I love the Christmas tree. Do you guys see how it has gems on it? So pretty. But yes, so for those of you, you know, who don't like to shop on Ally, and you know, you don't want to wait, especially since Christmas is around the corner, yeah, you need to shop from her shop, because you get it pretty quick. So that is one project. And then I also made a shaker, and again, Hello Kitty themed. But all I did was create a shaker using a die from my stash, and I already adhered this down with some foam tape, but I basically just took a Hello Kitty image. And I die cut this myself because actually it was part of a package, and I just fussy cut it. I put a pom-pom. I used the little snowflake, and that little tiny snowflake is from her from this pack right here. If you don't have this, oh my gosh, you need to get it. And then she does have it still in stock, so run. And then I just layered some snowflakes on there, and that one's in mint. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the top little tiny ones are mint. She has it in pink. And then I just made a little shaker, and I just used a stitch die from my stash and some Hello Kitty paper, and just made a little shaker. Isn't that cute? I love it. So let's go ahead. Do I have time to make a shaker? We can probably make a shaker real quick. easy that is. So cute. So that is my project for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to visit Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio and take advantage of the sale. And all right guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you later.